Morning to all of you. I am Rajesh Kumar, Science teacher at Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Our main chapter is life process of class 10th biology. Today we discuss about respiration. This is the third lecture. Okay, what is respiration? Respiration is a process in which food is broken down and result into production of energy in the form of ATP. And this process requires oxygen. And such type of reaction is called as aerobic respiration. Okay, simply in the definition, respiration is a process by which food is burned in the cell of the body with the help of oxygen to release energy. It takes place in the mitochondria is an organelle which is present inside the cell. That's why mitochondria is called as power of a cell. Why? Because mitochondria produce large number of ATP. In mitochondria, basically two reactions takes place. One is glycolysis. Glycolysis is a reaction in which glucose is broken down into pyruvate. One molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecule of pyruvate. Okay, and then pyruvate undergoes Krebs cycle or TCA cycle and result into the production of carbon dioxide. Okay, oxygen is used during the Krebs cycle, not in the glycolysis. Okay, clear? Now, glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of cell, and Krebs cycle takes place within the mitochondria of the cell. Okay, the energy released during the respiration is used to make ATP. Okay, ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. ATP is basically made up of from ADP, and ADP is adenosine diphosphate, and adenosine diphosphate is basically made up of AMP. AMP is adenosine monophosphate. Adenine is a base, and when we attach phosphate to the base, this adenine base, it converted into AMP. Then attachment of another phosphate form ADP diphosphate. Then attachment of another phosphate form triphosphate, means ATP. Okay, energy is stored in the cell in the form of ATP molecule. When the cell need energy, ATP is broken down in the presence of water to form ADP, and energy is released. Okay, now this is the complete process of breakdown of glucose by various pathways. Okay, we know that respiration is basically of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means the respiration which require oxygen. Anaerobic respiration which does not require oxygen, but there is a insufficient amount of oxygen, and that reaction is also known as anaerobic respiration. For example, in muscles, when we do heavy exercise, when we go for heavy exercise, and such type of reaction which operate during that situation is called as anaerobic respiration, but there is a limited supply of oxygen. Okay, but in case of yeast, during fermentation there is a complete absence of oxygen. Such these two reactions are called as anaerobic respiration reactions. Okay, in this chart, glucose is first broken down into pyruvate. Okay, in the presence of oxygen in cytoplasm. But see, oxygen is not required for the reaction of glucose into pyruvate. During the glycolysis, there is no requirement of oxygen because oxygen is not used during this reaction. Okay, oxygen is required for the breakdown of pyruvate into the carbon dioxide and lactic acid and ethanol, depending upon which type of reaction is there. Okay, and first reaction is known as glycolysis. Glycolysis is a reaction in which glucose is converted into pyruvate, and then pyruvate undergo Krebs cycle, and during these cycles or during the TCA cycle we require oxygen depending upon the reaction is aerobic or anaerobic. Okay, then pyruvate having three fate. First, pyruvate in mitochondria in the presence of oxygen converted into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Then these two fates are under the anaerobic respiration, means first is absence of oxygen, but there is a limited supply of oxygen, not completely absence of oxygen. There is a production of lactic acid and energy, which this reaction basically takes place in the muscles of an organism. And then there is a complete absence of oxygen. There is no limited supply, there is completely absence of oxygen, and such reaction takes place in the yeast. There is production of ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Okay, this is all about the respiration, the fate of glucose and breakdown of glucose by the various pathway into various products. Okay, see, The aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration is most important according to the board point of view. Okay, aerobic respiration means there is a completely presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, you can write that there is an absence of oxygen, but in case of muscles there is a limited supply of oxygen. Okay, second, in aerobic respiration food is completely broken down, but in case of anaerobic respiration food is not completely broken down. Aerobic respiration produces large amount of energy, anaerobic respiration produces less amount of energy. In aerobic respiration lactic acid are not formed, ethanol are not formed. Okay, but in case of anaerobic respiration lactic acid is formed within the muscles and ethanol is formed during fermentation, or you can say during in yeast. Okay, so this is all about the respiration. I hope you understand the concept. Meet you soon in the next video. Stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.